Hi there, my name's Sandy, I'm from Spiral Crafts and Workshops, and today's video is about best practices so that you can get the best out of your wire art session. Now we've got more videos coming up, so if you want to hear about those, if you hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it, that'll let you know. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and if there's anything you'd like to see a tutorial about, then drop us a comment as well underneath and we'll get onto that too. Now, 3 tips, best practices. Here's your first one. Working with a clear space around you. I can't really emphasise this enough. I've tried doing wire art in a small space with lots of cluttered stuff like this, but it doesn't actually work. You'll find the wire will fly all over the place and it will catch all the bits around you, and it really is a lot easier and safer for you if you have a clear surface and a good distance away from you, all around you, in front of you, so that you can work easily and cleanly and safely. So no cluttered desks, guys. Put everything away as far as you can. Just get your tools out, keep it all organised, and you'll have a great session. That's tip 1. Let's get you on to tip 2. Building in strength. Now, it's not something you think about straight away, and I made the mistake when I started out just like everybody else, but when you're making sculptures that are standing up particularly afterwards, you need to think about it really early on. Now, I've got Phil the Pheasant here, and he's quite a big sculpture, as you can see. I'll put him all the way through the frame for you, can't fit him all in. So something like this, you really need to think up front before you start. What are you going to do to make sure that he's got the strength to stand up? So don't just charge in. I did, and I made the mistake and I learned the hard way. Don't just charge in and willy-nilly throw your wire together, pop it on the floor, and then wonder why it doesn't stand up. You really do have to think about how heavy and how big your sculpture is going to be, and where you need to put the support in, and how the balance points are going to be. So with something like Phil, he's got a big front bit here and a big back bit here, which almost balance each other out a little bit. So it's not too bad to, not too big a consideration to get the design in, but you do have to think about it, and the best place to think about it is up front before you start making. And that'll save you loads of time and save you throwing things away like I did. And it's just the best thing you can do in the world. Okay, that's tip 2. Let's get on to tip 3. Cutting your edge off your chicken wire. Now, admittedly, this is just for your chicken wire people, not for your copper wire or your aluminium. Don't worry about it. I'm just going to grab from over here my roll of chicken wire. Here it is. May as well buy in bulk, eh? Now, what you got on chicken wire, when you unroll it, because it's fencing wire, you'll see at the top here there's a wire that's an edge. It's this end and at the other end, and you don't really want this top edge wire. Let's see if I can just move it down a little bit and you can see it against my top a bit. There you go. So there's an edge wire here. When you're starting to do your sculpture and you're starting to put your pieces of chicken wire onto your sculpture, this edge can actually get in the way. It doesn't look very good when you put it on your sculpture because it's a very definite line across your sculpture. So your best practice with your chicken wire is to take this wire across the top off, and I would do that before you start sculpting with it. So cut your piece of chicken wire, cut your wire off the top, your edges, and then start sculpting with it, not the other way around. Don't start sculpting and then think you need to cut it off, because it just wastes time and it's really difficult to do because it's a bit more fiddly and everything. So take your top wire off. Every time you cut a sheet of chicken wire to use, cut your top wire off. Job's a good one, you can bang on with your sculpture. That's it, that's tip 3. Put that over there. So we've got more videos coming up. Give us a subscribe with a notification button if you want to see those too. Give us a like if you've enjoyed this one and found it useful. and comment below if there are any tutorials that you want to see at some point in the future. We'll get onto those for you. So take care, and we'll see you soon.